windy out today. It was like 90 degrees the past 2 days. One day is like 60. Anyway, what I wanted to show you today is how, since now it's not so rainy out, it's how dusty it is. That piece of pretzel stuck to my tooth. Anyway, you can see the amount of fucking dirt and dust all right here. It goes all the way down that strip about halfway. And then we have the scale. Usually when it rains, it turns into a mud pit up here. So, some of it's hard. Let's scrape it up a little bit while keep a shovel underneath here. I had a shovel, and then these guys took it one day because they were helping me clean the scale off, and disappeared forever. Since I'm in the big loader too, I need to get them. I just don't come out very well. And it's really dusty out today. Come up. So whatever comes up, comes up. Excavator who drove on it too.